Hey everyone, my name is Kesha Lavi Avshanti. Did you know that more people die each year from alcohol related accidents and health problems than any other psychoactive substance? Although alcohol is one of the most powerfully addictive drugs, its legality also makes it the most widely available. Walk into any city or town in America, and chances are you could get a drink within minutes. Is it time to consider why alcohol should be illegal? So today, I'm going to tell you about my opinion why alcoholic drinks should be banned completely. The risk of drinking alcohol. For many, taking a sip of the first drink leads to a lifetime of health problems, failed relationship, reputation troubles, and more. Consider these facts. Alcohol is as addictive as many illegal drugs. Alcohol is contributing factor in many, if not most, violent crimes. Alcohol is proven to cause serious long-term health problems and is linked to numerous life-threatening diseases. Abusing alcohol can lead to addiction, a disease that can end in overdose and death. Innocent people die from the action of those who abuse alcohol every day. 5 reasons why alcohol should be banned. First, alcohol is addictive. Alcohol is a drug. It's a central nervous system depressant with psychoactive properties, and it is addictive. How addictive alcohol is depends on the individual, their genetics and upbringings, and other social and environmental factors. But according to a 2015 study funded by the National Institute of Health, 29.1% of Americans will meet the criteria for alcohol use disorder at some point in their lives, and 13.9% met the criteria in the previous year. Heavy drinkers may develop physical dependence, leading to potentially severe or even life-threatening withdrawal symptoms if you stop drinking all at once. These symptoms can include tremors, blood pressure changes, trouble sleeping, hallucination, and seizures. And for those who do stop, maintaining sobriety is often a lifelong struggle. Second, alcohol abuse is harmful to your health. Alcohol overdose can be fatal. If too much alcohol is absorbed from the digestive system into the bloodstream, following binge drinking, heart rate, blood pressure, and body temperature can fall to a dangerous level, causing brain damage and organ failure. But this is not the only way that alcohol causes harm. Long-term, excessive alcohol consumption can lead to serious health issues including high blood pressures, heart disease, liver disease, cancer, dementia, depression, and anxiety. Alcohol also has devastating negative effects when consumed by pregnant mothers. Even drinking only by moderate amount of alcohol can lead to fetal alcohol syndrome or greatly increased risk of miscarriage of serious developmental issues. Third, use of alcohol compromise judgment. Many of us have stories of the adventures and mistakes we have made under the influence of alcohol, but too often, given its ability to suppress one's inhibition, the overconsumption of alcohol ends in stroke tragedy. In particular, binge drinking is commonly associated with cases of drunk driving and car accidents, drownings, domestic violence, financial imprudence, risky sex, rape, violent crime, and several accidents. In the long term, heavy drinking can erode your relationship with your family members, deaden your ability to feel pressure from natural sources, and steal your motivation to study, work, and prosper. 4. Alcohol is a getaway drug. A getaway substance is one that leads to abuse of harder, more harmful drugs. According to 2012 investigation, alcohol, not tobacco or marijuana, is the primary gateway drug leading to the other substance and illegal drug use among underage Americans. And according to a study by the National Institutes of Health, 55.3% of high school seniors all under legal drinking age. have used alcohol in the past year. The figure is especially concerning because, as with cannabis, alcohol use is known to have harmful developmental effects on children and teenagers, negatively impacting problem solving and memory. Fifth, alcohol does not solve the real issues in your life. Many who drink alcohol do as an escape to mask negative feeling or stress, depression, or anxiety with intoxication and artificial feelings of well-being. But abusing alcohol only makes the issues worse in the long run. As alcohol use and dependence escalate, they can lead to a spiral of increasingly negative feelings and compulsive substance abuse with no easy way out. This may continue until you are drinking alcohol because you feel like you have to, not because you want to. According to World Health Organization, in 2004, there were approximately 2.25 million premature deaths worldwide linked to alcohol. Alcohol is responsible for 4.5% of the global disease burden, even after the protective effects of low and moderate alcohol consumption had been considered. Furthermore, excessive alcohol consumption is becoming an increasing problem in most countries. In almost all countries in the world, adults are allowed to buy and consume alcohol with very little restriction. Although there are often laws about the exact hours that bars and shops are allowed to sell alcohol and laws against drinking and driving. This is in marked contrast to the legal situation with regard to other mind-altering or psychoactive drugs such as cannabis, cocaine, ecstasy, acid, and heroin. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.